y'all, just got home, about to cut up these potatoes. Hannah already had them peeled for me because I went to Crumbl today. We're fixing to try a couple of their flavors this week. So we just knew we weren't gonna be able to eat a whole lot. So I'm just doing fried potatoes and onions because we all three love that. I'm starting by just cutting up 3 potatoes since there's 3 of us. Caden's putting up some dishes while I do this.
Ugh. You look good, Hannah.
Me and Caden match.
Yeah. I know, we do match, don't we?
Oh, I'm actually wearing some of her merch.
Stay classy.
Did you see that?
Mm-hmm.
That was a big old eye. I like put lotion on my legs in the morning, and I did not this morning. So when I got to work and I went to scratch my leg, oh my gosh, it was so ashy. The only social media we were allowed to have was Instagram.
See, I'm not even allowed to have that.
We weren't allowed to get Snapchat till we were in high school.
Snapchat's the worst one.
We had restrictions, like we couldn't add anybody unless mom knew who it was.
Don't.
And I think at the time mom had Snapchat, so we had to have her on there.
Yeah.
Grease is starting to get hot. I'm gonna put the potatoes first and I'm gonna let them cook till they're about halfway before I put the onions. To this, I'm just gonna put salt, pepper, and a little bit of Hal's Cajun Waltz. I'm gonna let those cook. You don't stir them unless you like them mushy. Some people like the southern fried potatoes and onions to be like mushy, but I don't. I almost want them to be like French fries. I want them to be crispy. Let's try these Crumbl cookies while we wait. They look so good. Hannah loves Crumbl, so one year for Christmas, I think, I got her a Crumbl cookie cutter.
Okay, the first 2 that we're gonna try is snickerdoodle and then brownie batter.
I put those on plates and warmed them up for 10 seconds because I feel like these 2 particular ones will be better warm.
Mmm,
That's too
my
good.
favorite.
That is too good. And that's strawberry shortcake.
I don't like the texture.
I can tell Hannah's not gonna like the texture of it because it's like it's almost crumbly, but it's like strawberry shortcake.
I do not like that texture, no.
It's really good.
You like that one?
M&M. That reminds me of Easter.
Sugar cookie.
Just stirred them, so I'm gonna throw these onions in. All right, they're done. That's what they look like. We're about to eat good. I love you. Stay classy.